welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katanya. Today's video is going to be a small Ross haul. It's going to show you guys some things that I have picked up recently from Ross. Some things that I have been trying to get my hands on for some time now, and I'm finally able to find them in Ross. Before we jump in, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. It really helps my channel grow and lets me know what kind of content you guys like to see on my channel. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I have here, I was finally able to find a little greenery plant to replace the one that I already had. My daughter accidentally broke one that I had in my bathroom, and I've been trying to replace it. I was not able to find the exact same one, but I did find this one here. And I liked it because it came in this silver planter here. And I was able to pick this up at Ross, and it is $8.99. It's very thick, very good quality. I just love this silver chrome finish that it has. Well, the next thing I picked up, I saw this. They had some display. As soon as you walked into the store, they had a bunch of them sitting on display. It is a Christmas candle. This is it. And I really love the way it looks. It has a little bit of decorness to it, but it's still plain and simple. I love the lid that's on here. The front of this says Jingles All the Way. And it came in the scent Sugar Cookie. And I purchased this for $7.99. And it smells delightful. It smells just like cookies to me. Can't wait to burn it. The second thing I picked up was this. The third thing that I picked up was this candle here. And I love this one as well. It comes in sleek form with the silver top with this little charm here on the top, on the front. This would be perfect to fit inside of a tray. That's the first thing that jumped into mind as soon as I picked it up. It is kind of tall, but I think it would fit perfectly in my tray, my tutu tray that I have. Once again, you can even show it from this side, or you can turn it around and show it from this way. I picked this one up for $7.99 as well. And this one has only one wick. The other one has the 2 wicks in it. Forgot to show you guys that it comes with 2 wicks. And they both smell so good. The second one, it came in the scent Vanilla Shortbread and Nutmeg. So Vanilla Shortbread and Nutmeg is the scent for this one. I have started using this one and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Ooh. Next, I picked up this set of towels. I have been looking for some new towels for my kitchen, and I threw out the ones that I already had. They were getting old and just dingy. Stains were starting to get into, so I went ahead and threw those out, and I needed some more. And I went ahead and I picked up this set. It comes in a set of 2. So you have the plaid here in the front. Then on the back, you have the plain solid. They're nice and thick, very good quality. I picked these up for $4.99 at Ross. Next, I picked up this set of placemats. I have been looking for these. I can't remember who had them on their haul, but I went right into my Ross, tried to find them, and I could not find them. I was lucky to finally find them. They come in a set of 4. And I wanted something that was plain, but yet gave some sort of glam or a little bit more sparkle to the table. This is going to go into my table, my small table that I have in my kitchen. And these came in a set of 4 again, and they were $6.99. The next thing that I picked up, I saw this. My girl Shanti has this. She has it. I think hers is in her laundry room, if my memory is correct. I think she has it in her lunchroom. I'm not sure if she picked hers up at Ross. I think she may have gotten hers from Hobby Lobby. But when I saw this, I jumped right on it. This is a larger version of it. They have a medium version of it as well. You can see it here on this card here. I think it was $4.99. This particular one is $6.99. That's one of the reasons why I jumped on it, because of the price and the way it looks. You can also hang it on the wall. You do not have to just place it on a countertop, which is where I have mine. Mine is in my kitchen on my countertop, and I put my smaller canisters into here, and I decorated with my Raydon stuff that I have. The next thing I have, I found this as soon as I walked in as well. It was over in the holiday section for fall and Thanksgiving. It was on clearance, and I ran because I wanted this so bad. It's one of the things that I have been trying to get my hands on, and when I seen it, I ran and I snatched it up and I placed it right into my cart. I did get it on clearance, and it is this lovely, I was trying to sit back so you guys can see it, lovely pillow here. It says gather. I think that I am going to be able to keep this up all year round. We will see, but I'm hoping that I will be able to keep it up all year round. And like I said, it did come on clearance, and it was $10.99. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up, I've seen this for well over 2-3 months. Every time I would go in, they would always have this there, and I kept looking and I kept looking. I wanted it so bad, and I kept saying no, I don't think it's right. But if you guys don't know, I have this space in my dining room. If you have seen my dining room, it's a big empty wall, and it is right behind my dining table, and I do not have anything there. I've been having such a hard time trying to find something to fit into this space. Well, once again, I kept going in and I kept seeing this artwork there, and I kept saying, is it right? And I didn't want to pick it up, but it wasn't right. But the price was right. So this is why I went ahead and I picked it up. It was not on clearance. It's just a regular price. And I finally decided to say, hey, this is meant for you. Every single time you come here, there's one here. It is here, and it's obviously waiting for you to take it home. So I picked it up and I took it home. I put it on my wall, and I immediately fell in love. And what I am talking about is very huge. So I may not be able to get it all into the frame, but I'm going to try. It is this big, beautiful. I'm trying to lean back so you guys can see it. Big, beautiful artwork here. It is of a big, beautiful flower. I'm not sure what kind of flower this is, but I absolutely fell in love with it. It does have some sparkle on it. And it's sort of 3D, because if you can see in here, this is what the glitter is. Right up in here, you can see what the petals are jumping out a little bit more. And that's just where it shows like 3D effect to it. I absolutely love this thing. This was $24.99. I could not believe it. I'm trying to turn it around so you guys can see price that's in there. There it is. It was $24.99. See if I can take it off to show to you. There it is. It was $24.99. And once again, I do have this inside of my dining room. Give you another view of it. And you can turn this multiple different ways. This is a different way from what I had it before. And it still gives you that wow effect. This is a different way. And so is that one. But I like it the way that I had it before. Okay, guys, so that concludes my shopping haul trip at Ross. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and like and comment down below. Please stay tuned. I do have another video coming up very soon of a trip that I took to Home Goods and back to Ross. Until next time, bye.
Mommy?